We have arrived at our safari, guys, and we need to show you this lodge because it is incredible. We're in South Africa. Madikwe, I think it's pronounced. So I'm just going to give you a lodge tour because this is insane. As you saw, we're number 1. Just got to walk down this path. There it is again. And these doors are something else. It's a normal key. So the door's already open. There's Laura. She's at the she's at the bar already. All this is complimentary. Why not start here, hey?
Oh yeah.
So we got some wine, we got some vodka and all sorts of spirits. Yeah, that's not a bit of me.
Something that doesn't look good.
Something that looks strong.
Vodka.
That looks very strong.
But this looks nice bottle of red.
Yeah, we are definitely going to be getting into that. We got 2 bottles of still water. Oh, dried mangoes, that. Oh my word, that's getting destroyed every day. What's this at the back?
Bread.
Some bread. And what's that, peanuts?
Yeah.
There's our glasses.
A little fridge.
Here's our little fridge. We have, let's start at the top. We've got Coke. We've got Indian tonic. What else we got? Lemonade. Sparkling water, lemonade. All sorts. Then you got some beer down here with the ice bucket.
And they also got me some almond milk.
Yeah, so when Laura booked this, she wrote down that she wanted almond milk. Get the words out. She wrote down or said to them that she needs almond milk.
And they gave me it.
And they gave us some. They remembered it. It's the small details.
And they top it up every day.
The small details make it incredible. Yeah, they top it up every day if it goes empty, which that mango definitely is.
Going down.
And they top it up every day, as and when. We just let them know. Yeah, let's go into this room. Where do we go? Left, right? Okay, so first we got this little seating area.
Oh, yeah, hold on.
This sofa is huge. Camera doesn't really do it justice. Looks very comfortable. When we landed on our plane at the airstrip, 10 minutes away, they gave us a complimentary water bottle each. There's mine, there's Laura's. These are staying for life. They're really good actually. Good quality. Got some plugs over there. You got a nice big mirror. Hello guys. As we turn, we have the fire, which we're not allowed to light, which I don't really want to, if I'm honest.
They're gonna come do it later.
So whenever we want it on, they're going to come and do it. And tonight, it is a little chilly today. It's only 18 degrees here, which is freezing for them, warmish for us. But yeah, there's that goes up through the roof. We're definitely going to have that on tonight. Spin you round. Here is our massive bed.
Yeah.
And it is massive.
With a little sign.
Plenty of cushions. Here's a welcome sign that they give us.
So this is how you talk to the housekeeper. You put notes on it and leave it for them.
Yeah, so this is how we communicate with them.
Yeah.
So if there's anything we want, don't want, anything they did that we loved or didn't like, etc., we just let them know.
And they give us a little welcome thing too.
Got a nice little welcome pack here. What it says at the bottom is, for your own safety, please ensure that you're accompanied by a night porter or other member of staff after dusk and before dawn, as we do live in a wild area. So basically, we could walk out and there could be animals out here or out our front door, anything like that. We do have aircon above the bed, which we won't be using.
Absolutely not.
And we have a fan, which again, we won't be using unless it warms up. When I say unless it warms up, it's still like going to be 24, 25 degrees. But yeah, that is the first half of this room. Either side of the bed as well, there's obviously a lamp and some USBs to charge your phones or whatever you need charging. It's incredible. I can't get over this lodge. Like, I can't get my words out because I love it so much. Even the little decor stuff, this above the bed, like, it's just such a nice touch. Should we head on outside before doing the other half of it? Or should we go do the other half?
No.
Okay. This is our view, which is crazy.
In the sun, it's nice and warm.
Oh, it's beautiful now we're in the sun. Like, there's no holiday like this in the world. It's so unique to us. Like, this is a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Yeah, from our plane. So, apparently the guy saw us because we was heading towards that.
It was windy.
And we come round and we landed. And then they have to drive us from our little diddy plane to here. It's about 10 minutes. We saw zebras. We saw buffalo. Pumbas.
And antelope.
Antelope. We saw a lot of animals already. They were literally just chilling next to the road. So yeah, that is our view. we have a plunge pool, which is
So we'll not be
actually
plunging in.
like an ice bath right now, which, if you guys know me, I do like my ice bath, so I will be getting in that. It is cold. It's a little chilly. It is cold. We do have 2 sun lounges.
We'll be pulling into the sun.
Yes, they'll be going in the sun to chill. We have a table as well. And the bit I love, the outdoor shower. And it comes with, what's this down here? Cleanser. That's really nice. I do love that. That's probably where I'm going to shower the whole holiday. So let's walk back. Such a massive area out here. Like, you can do everything. So much room for activities, man. It's incredible. Let's head on back in and show the other half of the villa.
We've got dressing gowns.
Or the lodge, should I say. Well, let's start here. We have yoga mats. Imagine doing yoga outside, out there, in the sun, with that view. You can't get more chilled than that.
And this shows you the lodges.
So there's a lot of lodges, a lot of different areas.
This is the family one.
Yep. This is where we are.
We're here.
The Copano Lodge.
Yeah, because it's adults only.
Yep. We will be going in the spa.
We're going here, and then this is the other one.
Yeah. They're all walking distance, but obviously only us in the Copano. Is that how you spell it, Sam?
I think so.
Is that how you say it? Copano?
We can only go to eat in this one, I think.
Yes. But yeah, we will be heading over here because there's the shop and the main swimming pool.
Which we want to see.
Yeah, we do want to see, but obviously we're going to keep ourselves to ourselves. Anyway, back to this. So you got your yoga mats, you got umbrellas. They've put our luggage down there for now. We have 2 robes. I wonder if you can keep these. They are so warm.
Nowhere to put them.
They're really thick. I like that. Got your coat hangers. What is this? This is that mozzie spray.
Yeah.
That Ruben's a neighbour of ours. He's South African, and he recommended getting this, and we couldn't buy it online. So that's good that they supply that. That's really good. Another one.
Oh, we got.
Is that a hairdryer?
Yeah.
Hairdryer?
Look, we've got little scarves.
Got our own scarves?
Is it a scarf?
Or is it a blanket? It's not a towel, is it? Might be a scarf. Might be a...
Is it a scarf?
I'm going to say yes.
I don't want to wear it and then be like, you're wearing a tea towel. It's going to be highly embarrassing. Oh, no, I think it is.
I think it is.
Ooh, I can wear it on the safari.
Yeah, that's cool.
That's cool.
Just checking ourselves out. Underneath, we have the safe.
That's really cool.
Nice big safe.
No, that's a towel.
They are our towels, yes, correct. 2 towels, and then nothing under there.
Also, this is for your washing.
Oh, okay. So if we want to wash our clothes,
Yeah, they have a laundry service.
they have a laundry service. There's the prices.
What's the prices?
So wash and iron or iron only.
Not very much at all.
I have bought a mini iron
We have.
for our travels. Right here we have a little coffee station. The guy said it's for emergencies.
Yeah, he said the coffee they serve is much nicer.
Yeah.
So don't use it unless you have to.
Some plug sockets, nice little stool.
The shower.
The shower, we got shower caps right here. This is the indoor shower, which again is beautiful.
So cool.
Let's have a walk in there. They come with your cleanser, your conditioner, and your shampoo. Nice touch. There's your shower head. Would have been cool if it was like from up there.
Yeah, that's true.
As we head out, there's a little towel that you can step on to dry.
You love that?
We have a little. That is not little.
With
That is huge.
bath salt. Oh,
Oh, they give us bath salts. A vanity kit. The little details of this room
Ooh,
is incredible.
That's cool.
I love all the little details. There's another towel for the floor
What
when you
towel
step
for?
out. Just show you the toilet first. Nothing fancy about this.
So nice there.
But there's our toilet. Lovely. We've been blowing our nose. That's why there's some tissue down there.
Yeah.
The aircon on the plane got us. Look at these mirrors. Look, there's 1 of me, 2 of me, 3 of me.
So
Aren't you guys lucky?
I don't know the light switches though.
They are massive.
Oh.
That's cool. Then we have a his and hers sink with hand lotion, hand wash, a couple of cups, goat's milk bar. Interesting. Some flannels. Underneath we have more towels and a bin. And then this is the door to head on out to the outdoor shower. And to the table if you want to go out there. But that is our room. I can't get over it. What's your favourite part?
The bed.
The bed. The bed is incredible. Not only that, imagine waking up, looking out there, sun rising over them mountains. Oh, what a place. Laura booked all this, so girl did good. Can't lie. Round of applause.
Round of applause for me.
The bed is incredible. For me, I don't know, I like the plunge pool and the outdoors, but inside, it's hard.
Almost.
I don't want to say the bed as well, but I think it is the bed.
Yeah.
Outdoor shower is for me. That's a bit of me.
And I like it because there's only 4 lodges here.
Mm-hmm.
So, and they only ever fill them with 3 people.
Look at this they give us.
So cool.
That's where we are. Madikwe Safari Lodge. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. So yeah, Laura's on the wine. We got lunch in a minute actually.
Yes,
So
we
we got to unpack our stuff.
And then put some clothes on for the safari.
Put some clothes on for the safari. The safari's at what time?
3:30.
3:30.
We have lunch 12 till 2 and then
12:30 till 2:30.
yeah, and then high tea is 3.
Yeah, and then the safari's half 3.
Yeah. So I'm gonna go for lunch in this probably.
Yeah.
And then come back and change for the safari. But I feel like I'm gonna be wearing the same clothes every day.
Yeah, because it is a bit chilly. We got too much summer stuff, didn't we? We saw the temperatures and was like, you know what?
Didn't think of the wind.
Let's take shorts. Let's get a tan. But yeah, you guys, if you did enjoy this little lodge tour, then please drop us a like. If you have any questions or comments about this place, then please drop them below as well. We'll answer everything. But yeah, if you enjoyed this, guys, drop the like, drop the comments, subscribe if you haven't. And we're going to dive into some wine and go for some lunch. See you guys soon.
Bye.
Laters.